Everyone, Double P here and welcome. So in today's trading session, I attacked Tesla and the PPOT Analytics AI engine caught the move on Tesla. And I am still in the trade. So you can see right here, we got 10 contracts. Here's the contract right there is the 375 strike put. And you can see right here, my position is in Tesla. So you can see come over here. I'm still in the trade, Tesla, 10 contracts. Now, what I want to show you is the trade I sent out to my members so that you can see it right here for today, Tuesday, June 23rd, 2026. And you see it right there, 375 strike put, $1.22, 10 contracts. So that's the trade there with Tesla, and I will probably exit this trade. I'm going to see if Tesla wants to make another run for the low of the day, which would be right here. So I will put my level right there. But let's get into what really matters. Let me just set up an alert. I'll actually set the alert up right here. And then that'll let me get out of the trade and we'll round off the numbers. This will end up being a very nice juicy trade. So what I'll do is let's go over the PPOT Analytics AI engine so you can see how I found it. I type in the ticker here and we're going to come over here. So that's the ticker, Tesla. I'm going to click side because I want to see the puts. And then you see the 375 right here. It's for June 24th, which is tomorrow, one day, 3.19 million notional value, which is big, smart institutional money. And you can see the AI score here of 78. It's high. It's telling me to get in. So that's the trade I sent out to the members. The volume is obviously picking up. Obviously, it was a little bit lighter before we went in and took the trade. But that was it right there. And I can scroll across. You can see the sizzle is extreme for this. And the volume versus open interest. This PPOT Analytics AI engine is an absolute beast. This is one of the best software order flow, institutional order flow software tools online right now that you cannot get anywhere else. This is way better than Webull, Thinkorswim, Charles Schwab, Interactive Brokers, Robinhood, any of those platforms. They just don't show you what you need to be shown. Let's come over here to the Gamma tab. So you can see the institutional setup and the institutional flow confirmed. So I'm just giving you a quick sneak peek on that, so you can actually see how this engine is working, and you can steal some of the signals I'll, that you can actually get into. All right, so let's come over here to the Prince feed because this is exactly what I don't have to search for trades anymore. I don't have to look for trades. I don't have to fret and wonder and worry and try to figure out what I want to trade. The engine tells me exactly what to do, right? So these are all trades on Tesla, and it literally tells you exactly what you need to know. So let's come down here, see if we can find a 375 put because it flashed before, and it is right here. So it's a 375 strike, so 1 day to expiration, which is the one bearish. You can see right here, hedge fund order. Like you'll never get this information anywhere else. So what does that tell you? It tells you that the big smart money is making a move. So you know that the volume is there, you know that the volatility is there, you know that with options, because options drive stock, you know, and it tells you it's a hedge fund order, like you won't get this information anywhere else. You got the size of the trade right there, size of the contracts. And then this is everything for the AI engine, right? And you get another one right here. 1 day, another hedge fund, another big hedge fund orders coming in. So smart money's coming in is telling you. And we have another one right here. Contracts right there. 1 day, 375. Like there's some massive smart money coming in here. And it's literally telling you what to trade and how to trade. I come over here to the scanner. Like I go through this process every single day with this AI engine. And that's how I find the trades to trade. It's got nothing to do with me as far as I remove myself out of all the emotion. So if you want to get your hands on the PPOT Analytics AI engine, I really suggest that you get this engine, you get this software. This software is so powerful that you can see everything. It tells you exactly what's going on here. So you see exactly what's happening. You see here it's accelerating. So that would be my take on you getting this, because once you get this, whether you're a retail trader, whether you're a retail investor, whether you're a professional trader, whether you're a professional investor, this is something that once you get it in your hands and once you start using it, you'll never have need to use anything else ever again. So that's it for Double P. I hope you enjoyed this quick little blip of the trade that I took, and I showed you exactly how I found it and how we executing on it. And I wish you all the best. I would tell you, if you're into trading at all, any type of trading, this is the engine for you. This is the PPOT Analytics AI engine, and it is an industrial, institutional, enterprise grade level solution software for finding order flow for stocks and options. And it tells you exactly what you need to get into position, to make a position. So, that being said, take care. I'll see you in the next trading session.